Let's solve this problem. This one now, since it's multiplying, we can write it as 3 raised to power x plus 5 multiplied by 3 raised to power x minus 5 equals to 81. So you now observe using the idea of indices. So you have 3 raised to power x plus 5 plus x minus 5 and equals to 81. So this and this will cancel out. So the left hand side now will become 3 raised to power x plus x equals to 81 is 3 to the power 4. Don't forget that. So what you have here will be 3 raised to power 2x equals to 3 raised to power 4. Then, because of this radicand, this one can be write it as 3 raised to power 2x times half, which should be equals to 3 to the power 4. So observe this 2 will cancel out this 2, and this 3 and 3 will go the basis. So what you have here will just be x times 1 equals to 4. So x is equals to 4. That's all. Please share this video.